Hi, this is Steve from Signature Garden Services, quoting Anna and Tony Kemp at 27 Mawarra St Buddina to do an irrigation installation into their backyard. So after speaking with Anna, I felt, and she agreed, that the main points that need irrigation is the lawn here, the lily-pilly hedge down the side, and then the turf area at the back. The plants are all hardy in nature, and it is involved, some of them, concrete is a barrier to getting pipe work in, but yeah, so sticking to the turf is what this quote encompasses. So we can see some, patches, and this is, can be remedied by putting in a pop-up irrigation system. So we use, they're called gear drive pop-ups to water this. They will pop up, do a radiating arc with a continuous jet and water this entire area. Once they pop down again, you don't see them anymore. It's a non-invasive method that I use to install these irrigation systems, so you'll hardly know that it's gone in. We're not going to be ripping up the grass that's here, so that's always a bonus for customers. So yeah, this section here would be watered and irrigated. So moving on to the lily-pilly system here, lily-pilly hedge here, we would be putting in an irrigation system for each plant. As I discussed with Anna, we use a dripper. It's on a spike with a little rosette on the top, which drips water down into the root zone. So we're not misting, we're not wasting water with the plant irrigation. It'll be focused water exactly onto each lily-pilly plant. So I haven't looked at the exact numbers, but that's included in the quote. Looks like about 25-30 lily-pillies here. I do believe that I've checked for pests, I've checked for diseases. I don't see any evidence of that, and I do see that these ones here are significantly different to the ones that are down there. So it tells me that it's actually conditions with the sun that is causing the issue here. So to get these healthy, we'll fertilize them, we'll irrigate them. I also would recommend and included take out some of the soil that's all the way through here. There's not enough room for a decent amount of mulch, particularly because these lily-pillies are getting stressed by the conditions. If we put more mulch in there, like 70 mil of mulch, that is going to adequately insulate the soil so that the plants aren't having such a hard time with the ground, which is also exposed to the sun. So fertilize, irrigation, mulch, taking out the soil through here for the mulch that needs to come in. Doing it properly would be my proposed solution for the lily-pillies, and they'll bounce back. The lily-pillies, they'll do fine, and they'll look more like these ones, which are not getting smashed by the sun so much. Moving out to the back here, once again, an irrigation system pop-up would be installed for this grass section through here. We always make sure that the pop-ups are covering all of the grass, no missed areas that won't be any different here. And the system would be on this tap here. So it's a Bluetooth controlled system that is on your phone. You just need to be within fairly close proximity, 10 meters or so, and for these systems, you don't need to overthink it. It's set and forget. You change the settings basically with significant shifts in the seasons, so you're only talking about 3 or 4 times a year is all that's required, and then it's set and forget, and you won't have to worry about your watering. It will water to a program. I've got many systems like that out there, and everybody is happy. So you don't have to bend down and look at the system and play around with buttons. It's on your phone. Super simple to use. It's battery operated. We don't need to get electricity to here. And there's a battery gauge on the app that shows you how much life is in the batteries. The batteries last 12 months to 2 years. So all not a problem. So from here, dropping down and then across and then into the grass and into the areas to irrigate the front, we'll call that the front, and then out the back out here. I think that's everything covered. So yeah, Signature Garden Services, check our Google reviews. We always strive to do great work. This job would be no exception, and yeah, we can get this, we can turn this around no problem just with these suggestions. So over to you. Cheers.